Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and hope you had a great week last week and a great trading week as well. In this video, I want to talk about my GBP analysis, so GBP USD analysis and GBP JPY analysis. In my previous video, I talked about the gold and Euro USD analysis. So if you haven't checked that out, kindly check that out, and I hope the video would be helpful to you. So for this video, starting off with GBP USD, we'll be looking at the weekly time frame, then down to the daily, and then 4 hourly time frame. So as you can see, this blue zone over here around the 1.3 the 1.34 level is a very significant area which was tested several times as resistance. Price finally broke out of that area, now has come to tested it once, and now it's back to test it a second time, and that's where price is where price ended last week. And as you can see from the weekly time frame, price is making this bearish move to the downside. When price failed to break these previous highs, then it started making lower highs and lower lows as well. So now price has failed to break this previous low, so it could mean a bounce from this level to the upside, or this could eventually make a lower low and break this previous level to the downside. All right, so that's what we'll be looking at in this coming week, how price reacts to that 1.34 level. So when we move to the daily time frame, we can see that price has now gotten down to this level here. Okay, and price formed this engulfing candle and was about to move to the top side, but faced a level of resistance around the 1.35 level. All right, which I would mark over here. It's around the 1.35 level. All right, I'll use this instead. Good. And now price got to that level and bounced back, forming this evening star, which is a bearish reversal pattern. And you can see here, this is the lower limit here, which is around the 1.35 level, 1.335 level, which is also another area that we have to look out for. Okay, our time frame, we can say that the 1.35 level was the resistance level here. Price bounced back off it, came there, bounced back off, and finally broke it. And now price broke through it, and price has tested it twice now, giving us this M pattern over here. As you can see, price came up, bounced off it, came back up, and bounced off it now. Okay, back down to this area. Now, what we'll be looking out for is how price reacts to this 1.35 level and the 1.335 level. So we can also note here another important area, which is the psychological area as well. That is the 1.34 level, where price got to here and then bounced off, and now price got close to that level and bounced off it. And then the next significant area that we'll be looking at will be the 1.6 level over there, okay, where price couldn't break above here. So what I'm expecting for GBP USD in the coming week is one of two things, and we need to note these very important areas. So price could get back down to this 1.34 area here and bounce up to the upside, or could break it and get to this 1.335 level. And if price fails to break below this level, then we could be expecting price to continue to the upside, giving us a double bottom pattern over here. Okay, and this will give us a double bottom pattern over here. All right, now if price manages to break this 1.335 level, then we should be expecting that price will continue all the way to the downside, maybe a retest, and then we'll continue all the way to the downside if that happens. Okay, which for me, it's not really what I'm looking at. I'm looking for buy opportunities around that area, and I'm expecting a double bottom pattern to form because GBP USD is known to form double bottoms and double tops, and that's what I'm expecting for this trade. Okay, but if by any chance the price doesn't give us a bullish reversal pattern here, or rather breaks this level to the downside, then I'll be looking to sell the market. On the other hand, if this doesn't happen, okay, and price by chance continues to the top, to the upside, then I'll be looking for a break of this 1.35 level. And if that happens, hopefully a retest of it and to take my buy trade from the 1.35 level if price gives us a bullish reversal pattern all the way to this next psychological level, which is 1.36 level that price has tested previously, which is the daily resistance, as you can see here. So this move from the 1.35 to 1.36 level is about 100 pips, and that will be very good trade to take. And if also price manages to break this level to the upside, then I'll wait for a retest and take my buy trades all the way to the top as well. Um, so just looking at this trade now, we can see price coming down here to test this level and could bounce up, which is starting to form all the way here. So two areas I'm looking to take my trades, and that is the 1.35 level. If this level manages to break, and then I'll take my trade on the retest, and the 1.335 level. Okay, so this level here is where I'm looking to take my trade, or if price manages to get all the way down to the 1.335 level over here, then I'll be looking to take my trade. It's that level. So this is my analysis for GBP USD for the upcoming week. I'm looking at two major levels, which is the 1.35 level and the 1.335 level, and see how price reacts to those areas. And then I'll be looking to capitalize on the move. So next I'll be talking about GBPJPY. So for GBPJPY, again, we'll be starting off from the weekly time frame. And as we can see from the weekly time frame, price got to this level up here, failed to break above it, and gave us a fake out over here. Then price got all the way down to this level and tried to make a bounce all the way to the top. Now we can see that price tried to break this level. This is not the actual candlestick. Candlestick is supposed to have formed the pin bar because there was a rejection in the last minute all the way down towards this 153.4 level. Okay, and if you see on the daily time frame, you can see that one price is around the 153.3 level actually. Price tried to go to the upside but couldn't, and then price sellers were able to push price back down to this support level. Now this is the area that we're looking out for now, this support level, and see how price reacts. If there is a break of this level to the downside, then we'll be looking to take our sell opportunity. And if not, and price manages to give us a bullish reversal pattern, then we'll be taking our sell trade to the upside. Now, if we go to our 4-hour time frame where we normally take our entry, this is what we'll be looking to capitalize on. At the moment, price hasn't really given us a very good candlestick pattern to work on. It's from this pin bar here, but for me, it's not exactly strong enough to indicate where price is going to go at the moment. So it could mean that price will continue all the way to the top over here, back up to this level, or there could be a break of this level down. So if there is a break of this level over here, then waiting for a retest and a sell opportunity to the downside. But if this doesn't happen, then we'll be looking to, I wouldn't buy this trade at all. Rather, I'll wait for price to get up to the 1.36 level, 1.56 level, and see how price reacts. And if price breaks above that level, then I'll be buying this trade. And if price gives us a bearish reversal pattern over here, then I'll be selling the trade to the downside. If not, if price breaks further to the top, then wait for a retest and take my trades to the upside. But for GBP JPY at the moment, I am not going to take any trades. I'll just observe and see how price reacts to this area here. Currently, it looks like price is about to reject off that area all the way to the top, which could happen, but I am not confident enough to take the trade, so I wouldn't do that. But if you are, then you can as well take the trade, because this is more or less a double bottom pattern with this pin bar forming here, and this could just mean a continuation to the upside, forming this double bottom pattern, which is very possible and can happen. So if you're confident enough to take this trade, then I would suggest that you can take your buy trade over there, and put your stop loss just below this candlestick pattern here, which is about 120, and your take profit will be around 220 pips or 230 pips, which is almost a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, which is quite good as well. So for GBPJPY, this is what I'm looking at. I am not going to take any trades on this because I'm not confident enough about it at the moment, unless price gets to the 1.56 level or breaks the 1.525 level. But on the other hand, yeah, so I'll just be observing for this trade. So this is my analysis for GBPUSD and GBPJPY. I hope the video has been helpful. If it has, kindly leave a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and can share the videos to your friends as well so that it can help them. And I hope you have a great week this coming week, and I'll see you in the next analysis video. Peace.